I'm Sonora Sims, and today Sims slays complex conjugates. Let's recall, our conjugates is when our signs are just flipped in the middle of our binomial. And of course, with our complex conjugates, now we are adding the I. We have the I. Now, that is the shortcut, but let me show you a little something here. Let's say if I have 3 plus 2I times 3 minus 2I. Again, conjugates, the signs are flipped in the middle. And we use our FOIL method that we've talked about previously. Looking at our FOIL method, 3 times 3 is 9. 3 times negative 2I, negative 6I. 2I times 3 is a positive 6I. 2I times a negative 2I is negative 4I squared. Combining like terms, negative 6I plus 6I is 0, leaving us with 9 minus 4 times I squared. Recall that I squared is a negative 1. The negative 4 times the negative 1 is a positive 4, and that equals what? 13. So we don't want to have to multiply this every time because there's a pattern. There is a pattern. And the pattern is written right up here above. When you're multiplying complex conjugates, we simply want to find the sum of the squares of our two coefficients. So let's now try it again with our shortcut. Looking at the same problem, 3 plus 2I times 3 minus 2I. Here, 3 would be my A, and 2 is my what? B. This is simply equal to 3 squared plus 2 squared. And folks, we can really put that in the calculator, and you see we have our what? 13. Let's try another one. How about 4 plus I times 4 minus I? Recall that I is the same as 1I. I is the same as 1I. So multiplying these complex conjugates, we have 4 squared plus 1 what? Squared. And that equals 17. Are we clear? Is this easy? I hope so. We'll do one more and then we'll wrap this up. Let's try, and of course, because of the commutative property, nothing magical about having the plus first. We can do 5 minus 3I times 5 plus 3I. Using our shortcut, 5 represents A, 3 is my what? B. This will equal to 5 squared plus 3 squared. And 25 plus 9 is 34. Having this shortcut to multiply our complex conjugates will help us with our division of complex numbers. Thank you. Hope you got it.